So guys, I have got Xbox One X today, which has got no display. It turns on fine. Let's first look at the HDMI port. It has got two HDMI port. One is output, which is this one here, and oh sorry, this is input and this is output. So we have to look at the output because we are not getting any output. So first thing is to check at these HDMI connectors. They all look fine to me, and neither I have seen any broken connectors inside. So the next thing I will be checking here is anything wrong with these fuses. That's all look fine to me. This looks okay. Also like to check okay, all good, all good. And the only thing which is now get our attention is this HDMI booster encoder TDP158. So that's the only thing now we have to replace. If nothing wrong with HDMI, then this is most probably is the reason behind we are not getting any display. I would like to tint it with low melt. So that it comes out nice and easy. Okay. Okay, let's give it a clean. And the next thing is just tint it. That looks all good to me. Okay, now the next thing is get a new IC. Next thing is, you know what to do. Hold it as close as possible to its right place, which is, I have seen, little bit difficult for some of us. But should be okay. Alright, here looks fine to me. Okay. Is it holding by itself? Yes, it is. I'm using a little bit high airflow, so that reason behind it, so that it push down by itself rather than me holding it down. It's just that the big ground pad underneath sometimes hard to melt. Okay, that looks okay to me. I can see the connectors are sitting right. I'm just showing you the angle view now on this IC. Do you see how nicely all the connectors, they are joined together? See? So this is the angle view. So that looks all good to me. Oh man, see, lots of wires here. Anyway, so turn it on. David, it's not turning on me. Is it? I hope it turns on. It was turning on before we started working on it. Oh yeah. Okay. No display yet. Come on. Yep. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. So that's all done. Got the display. Thank you.